Hey guys, how's it going? This is Robert Lukat. This is an old oxidized hood. It's on an old Dodge. The paint job's all oxidized. Look how nasty that looks and stuff. This had clear coat and the clear coat came off. So this is what we call exposed base coat. You don't have to drive around with an ugly base coat. This is called Lukat Fix It. It's not wax, it's a cleaner. All you do is you put that on like that. And what you do is you clean it. Now what's different about this is that there's no wax in this product. So you're not masking or waxing, you're cleaning. So when I do this, I'll clean a little spot in the beginning. And this is how you should do it. You do a little spot like that, you learn how it works. It's gonna clean and not cut like a cutter. So you're able to clean the paint job back to its original state. So all I'm doing here right now is cleaning. Look how beautiful that's coming out, okay? So you can do this with the machine. I suggest a direct drive, a single drive, not a DA, because you're cleaning, not masking and waxing. Now, here's the most important part. All I did was cleaned it, okay? When you use this is my finger poking through the glove. Check this out, listen to this. That's the sound of a squeaky clean paint job. It's not a wax, all I did was cleaned it. This is the original state. Now here, you don't want to use shine and pop waxes. You don't want to use like a spray wax. You don't want to use like a high gloss wax. On this, you want to use like a cleaning wax or a sealer wax, and that'll hold the shine 6 months to a year. That's all you need. So Lukat Fix It. Guys, check us out at lucatdetail.com. Join us in the fight against ugly paint job pollution. You don't have to drive around with an ugly paint job like this. Use this and you can make it look beautiful like this. Later, guys.